Welcome back to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how you can bake your own chocolate chip cookies at home. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell. The ingredients for this chocolate chip cookie will be down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and check it out.
Jave Beats exclusive.
Now here's my ingredients that I'm using to make my chocolate chip cookies. I'm using 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using 2 eggs. I'm using 1 cup of brown sugar, half cup of granulated sugar. I'm using 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm using 1 cup of unsalted butter, and also you're going to need 2 cups of chocolate chips. Now guys, I'm going to start out with my butter. Okay. Then I'm going to add my sugar in, and also my granulated sugar. My brown sugar, sorry. I'm just gonna mix those with my cake mixer now, guys. Just like that, guys. So I'm mixing around. Guys, you get that nice creamy texture, and you put your butter and your white sugar and your brown sugar in it. There you have it, guys. So you want to do it. You want to mix up your butter and sugar. I'm just going to clean on the side of my spatula. Nice creamy texture you need, guys, just like that. Finish mixing up your mixture. Now you're gonna add your eggs in. I'm just gonna add them one by one. Just like that. Now you're gonna give it a mix again. Now you're going to add the next egg inside now. You're going to mix that for about a minute until the eggs are properly mixed in your mixture. Now you're going to add your 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Just give that a mix again. So now that is finished mix now. I'm just going to put this to the side. You're going to get a separate basin. You're going to add your all-purpose flour inside. Also with your baking soda and your salt. You're just going to get a spoon and just mix that around. Guys, after you finish mixing around your flour with that salt and baking soda, you're just gonna add it gradually to your mixture that you was mixing before. I'm gonna add like 1/3 of it of your flour. You're just gonna mix that now. Add the rest of your flour to it. Just like that, guys. So start to mix again. guys. That's how you want to mix your mixture. Now after you finish using your cake mixture to mix up your mixture that you have in your basin here, now you're going to use your spatula just to clean down the side. Just like that, guys. Now you're going to add 1 cup of your chocolate chips in. So you're going to start to fold it around into your mixture. Just like that, guys. Make sure you mix it around into it. Just like that, guys. Make sure you mix it around properly. Your chocolate chips that you just throw in there. And you're gonna add the next cup in. Chocolate chips. So guys, and you start to mix that in again, guys, properly. See you back when I'm finished mixing up all of these chocolate chips into my mixture that I just mix up. And there you have it, guys. That's showing my chocolate chips. Now I'm finished mixing it up. Yes, guys. I'm just gonna put that one side. You're gonna get your baking tray. That's where you're gonna bake your cookies in, guys. You're gonna also get a piece of baking paper to put inside, but you're also gonna need to cut it out to the size of your baking tray. Yes, guys. See you back when I'm finished cutting out my baking paper, guys. I'll get back to you and show you how it's look. Now there you have it, guys. So you want to make sure your baking paper fit inside of your tray. Now, guys, you also can take your mixture now in your hand, roll it like a ball, just like I'm doing here, guys. Put them on your tray just like that. Yes, guys. Guys, in the meanwhile you're doing this, you just want to preheat your oven on gas mark 4, 350 degrees. Guys, if you don't want to roll them in your hand, you can use your ice cream scoop. So guys, just like that. There you have it, guys. Just like that. Just leave like a space between them, guys, just like that. And we have to use the next baking tray. Just like that. So that's how you want to make your lovely chocolate chip cookies. There we go, guys. Just like that. Now these are ready to go into the oven. My oven is already preheated. Yes, guys. Now I'm going to put these inside now. See, my oven is ready. These are my cookies are ready to go in. Guys, just like that. You want to bake them for about 12 to 15 minutes. Yes, guys. See you back when my cookies are finished baking. Now after that 12 to 15 minutes, guys, now my cookies are ready to come out the oven. Yes, guys. There you have it. That's also my timer going off. Yes. Just like that. Now you want to leave your cookies to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure they're properly cool before you remove them from your baking tray, guys. Just want to leave them here. See you back when my cookies are cool. There you have it. My baking tray is cool. It's time to remove my cookies from my tray. Just put this one side. Get a plate. Yes, guys. Just want to easily lift them up. Just like that, guys. Simple and easy. Look at that. Wow. Looking so beautiful. It's smelling so nice, guys. I'm telling you, I can't wait to try try one of these with a glass of milk. Just like that, guys. Simple and easy to make these chocolate chip cookies. I hope you guys give this one a try at home. This guys, let me have a taste of one. Alright guys, the texture is looking so good. It's tasting so nice, guys, I'm telling you. So delicious. Anyway, thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Click that notification bell. Tell me what you think about these chocolate chip cookies when you give them a try at home, guys. They're awesome. They're tasting so lovely. Until next time, peace out.